It's chilly out there for
I
her,
noticed
too.
the hat too. I think that's because of the wind.
She told me before she left, she's like, I needed a thicker sweater than what I have on right now.
Talk
Ooh.
about a
Change.
change, hot and cold.
What you were saying the saying earlier this week? It's like, give me 5 minutes. Or
Yeah,
give me 5
wait.
minutes?
That's a saying
Wait 5
everybody
minutes.
loves, especially in Texas. Wait 5 minutes and the weather will change.
Especially here in South Texas.
Well, especially this week.
This time of year.
It doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, we don't forget it, right? So yesterday it was 87 degrees. It was hot. It was summer-like. Today we're talking we'll be lucky to reach 50 degrees this afternoon. So winter is making a return. Maybe that makes you happy. I don't know. I might personally want to flip those faces. But regardless, we've got colder weather here, and the wind chill is what's actually really brutal. We're talking 46 degrees, your air temperature, but with that wind sustained around 20 to 25 miles per hour to the north, it feels cold outside. That's because we saw the cold front pass through. It's to our south. It's south of the valley. Everyone in Texas is pretty cold right now. We've got high pressure continuing to funnel in that colder air. So let's talk temperatures. The plains, extra cold. We've got cold weather advisories in place. Bismarck, North Dakota is 25 degrees below zero this morning. Meanwhile, Oklahoma City is at 12 degrees. Dallas-Fort Worth is at 24, and we're at 46, which is cold for us. So that cold front packing a punch, especially with those northerly winds. That pressure gradient between the high and the cold front, which is lower pressure, that's what's really producing some strong north winds. Our feels like temperature in Corpus Christi now at 5:48 a.m. this morning is 38 degrees. We are going to see these temperatures hanging out in the 40s all day. As I mentioned, I think we'll be lucky to hit 50 because we still have a strong north wind. Our feels like temperatures will likely be in the mid to low 40s, and we're likely going to keep cloud coverage. Now, some models do indicate we see a break in the clouds with the cold front pushing a cirrus layer, so the higher level clouds a little bit further to the south. But regardless, what's happening is the warmer air is going up over the cold air. Yesterday was really warm and humid air, so that means it wants to condense as it cools. As it goes up and over the cold air mass, condensation is taking place, and we are getting these cloudy skies with light patchy rainfall that is expected throughout the day today. So be ready for some spotty showers. It will be colder. It will still be rather humid in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that is where it matters when it comes to rainfall and cloud coverage. We're dry though at the surface. Our dew points are down into the 20s this morning, so grab the lotion before you head out the door. It's still colder into Friday, but we're starting to see this coastal low bring us a chance for some rain. As it skirts north, it's going to shift our wind ahead of the next cold front. That's going to have us warmer on Saturday. The second cold front moves in. It's going to be drier. Some really dry continental air is setting up, especially with high pressure building to the north once again. This one is going to push the clouds well to our south. We're going to be sunny as we head into Sunday versus this cloudy overrunning pattern that we have right now. So Sunday will be much different. We see the warmer air returning for Tuesday, but that's not going to last for long either. There is another cold front on the way. That's going to come Tuesday into Wednesday. Low chance of rain with that front, no chance of rain with the front over the weekend. We stay in that overrunning pattern, keeping us with about a 30% chance of rain today and tomorrow.